I live on the fourth floor of an old apartment building. Nothing fancy, no view, just a narrow alley outside my window where stray cats fight and delivery boys argue with Google Maps. Last Thursday night around let's say 1:47 a.m. I heard footsteps outside my window. Let me repeat that. Outside my fourth floor window. Of course, I froze. The footsteps were slow, deliberate, like someone trying not to make noise on metal. The alley was silent. No wind, no cat, just those heavy footsteps. I stepped closer and lifted the curtain an inch. A man was walking past my window. Not on the ground, not on the balcony. He was walking straight across the empty air, level with my floor, as if the world had invisible stairs only he could see. His feet made metallic sounds with each step. He didn't look at me, didn't tilt his head. His face was fixed forward, blank, and his eyes, they were blinking. They weren't even human. They looked like old CCTV lenses, cloudy and scratched. He passed my window slowly, and that should have been the end of it. But when I turned around, I saw something that almost stopped my heart, a reflection in the mirror behind me. He was still there, standing right outside the class, staring directly in, even though he had already walked past in real life. His mouth began moving, not opening, not speaking, just forming slow, silent shapes, like he was mouthing a message I wasn't meant to understand. I backed away. My phone slipped from my hand. When I looked at the mirror again, he was gone. I finally gathered the courage to look out the window. Empty, no sound, just the usual stray cat blinking at me like I was the crazy one. I convinced myself it was sleep deprivation, maybe a dream, maybe my eyes playing tricks. But the next night, at the same time, the footsteps returned. This time, he didn't walk past the window. He stopped in front of it and he turned his head towards me. His neck cracked sideways with a sound like metal twisting. Those cloudy CCTV like eyes focused right on me, and I felt something pulling behind my eyes like he was scanning me. Then he mouthed those same silent shapes again. I grabbed my phone and recorded. The camera caught nothing but darkness. But the audio wasn't empty. When I played it back, I heard my own voice whispering, "Let him in." Last night, I nailed the window shut, taped the curtains, shoved furniture in front of it. But at 1:47 a.m., I still heard the footsteps. Except this time, they weren't outside. Guess what? They were inside my room. Metallic, slow, patient. And if you are listening to this, don't check your window tonight. And whatever you do, do not look in the mirror.